Can you juggle?
I can't juggle. One of my all-time favorite potato recipes is definitely potato bake. So to make the perfect potato dauphinoise is definitely to have beautiful, thinly sliced potatoes. And my trick is to have a mandolin in your kitchen. And there we go, hey presto, beautiful slice of potato, and that will make a perfect bake. So in a large pan, I've got 500 mils of full cream milk and beautiful fresh Ayrshire cream. Also 500 mils, 2 cups. And then a couple of cloves of garlic. Don't chop them because you're going to take them out. They're just going to infuse beautiful flavor into the milk and cream. And then these, just drain as much water off as you can. You can see how beautiful and thin those are. And then you just bring that to a simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes because you don't want the potatoes to break up, but you just want them to be nice and soft. Okay, so let's see if these little slices are cooked. Just gently put your knife in. Fantastic. This is done. Now for the yummy stuff. So what I like to do is just grease the dish a little bit, and it always adds a little bit of flavor with butter. And then just carefully we layer this beautiful mixture. And even with just that little bit of garlic, I can just smell the most beautiful garlicky fragrance there. And then what I love to use is fresh nutmeg, a little grating. Just beautiful and heady and aromatic. There we go. A little bit of salt because we haven't salted the potatoes. And they do need quite a bit of seasoning. There we go. And you can use black pepper. I love white pepper with potatoes. It's also quite perfumey as well. And then the cheese. And either use pecorino or parmesan cheese, or even Gruyere cheese could be quite nice and often used in classic potato dauphinoise. And again, don't be shy. Okay, and then the last little bit is just add a little more butter, just a few little dollops, and this will give it obviously the taste and the yummy shine that you need. And you just pop it into an oven, preheated at 180 degrees for about 30, 35, maybe even 45 minutes until it's all golden and bubbling over. And yeah, there's your perfect potato bake. And all we have to do now is have a taste. You ready, Bianca? Should we dig in?
So ready.
Ooh. Look at that. The potatoes cooked. Delicious. Seasoned well. Can you taste the nutmeg? Yum.
Everything.
Okay, pass it over. Oh, this is just such beautiful comfort food. A delicious hot potato. Jackie, what have you done? Honey!
What have I done?
We've got spoiled spuds.
No!
Oh my God.
I think it's ready.